Your wife isn't gonna like this. Better watch out, 24.
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Oh my god. He failed and was very sad.
¿Qué vas a pasar? ¡Eh!
There are a lot of special people in construction.
This was a recipe for disaster from the beginning.
That looks like fun.
Looks like they just found a new way to swim.
Perhaps the F1 racetrack is meant for him. It's better to stay away from this guy.
Even the house knows how to get angry.
Don't lose concentration while driving.
The car owner just lost some more money. Storing grains in a concrete mixer truck, now that's a genius idea.
They decided not to use their brain cell to load their old car.
Yeah, boy. This guy is living his best life.
Little dinosaur. Nice and healthy.
Fish said. Was like, now my turn.
This is a workplace, not a dance floor. Could someone put up a warning sign here?
Boom. And just like that, the wall was gone in a matter of seconds.
This parrot learned how to play YouTube and gets mad if you change the channel. Good idea, as long as you don't have pets on the roof.
These two players had a sweet special moment. A Bundesliga game show turned into a circus performance.
He stood up with as much dignity as he could.
Nope.
Did he run away because there were two boxes?
Improper unloading of a dump truck can come at a very high cost. In this case, an accident seemed almost inevitable. The truck bed was overloaded, and the load itself was too sticky to pour out on its own.
Все, падай!
Вот этого мы и боялись. Или не знаю.
Maybe he likes thrills.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Someone please revive him. Her hair is no joke.
Damn, y'all, this the fastest sandwich maker I know.
Why is bro moving like that?
The demolition of the pedestrian bridge over the railway tracks went faster than planned. The workers were still on the bridge when it collapsed, and just in time, they managed to leave. One of the spans crashed onto the tracks, resulting in serious delays for trains on that section.
Get away. He's gonna break him. Josh! Oh my god.
Hurry up! Jackie jumping!
When the gas pedal and the brake pedal switch places. Dude, is that thing really that scary?
Nada Khalil, an architect from Iran, is the mind behind this remarkable idea. Building dome-shaped houses from sandbags is both cost-effective and requires no specialized skills. Moreover, these homes are environmentally friendly and can be built quickly, making them a valuable solution in times of natural disasters or mass migrations.
Huh? No me sнимаю.
Cay, cay. Cay, 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 cay.
There you go, Jeff.
Creative thinking at work really pays off. A simple tool can boost productivity several times over.
These are also my weekend buddies.
Nope.
Strictly followed the 5-second rule. What kind of instrument is that?
Guy, you better hit the brake.
Girl, you'd better hit the brakes.
Huh?
And they don't care. They just running. Oh my God!
There's two kangaroos.
A perfect mom. It's not his fault that the hammer handle is designed too short. That's exactly what a great dad would do.
That's it.
Honestly, that's really cute.